Everyone, in today's video we are going to do the unboxing and review of this BP monitor from Omron. Now the other day I got my annual health checkup done and I was diagnosed with marginally high BP bordering on 140/90. So the doctor advised me to keep my salt levels in check before we start the medication, which is going to be lifelong. So I also decided to get a BP monitor to monitor the trend of BP. So this one, I sourced this from Amazon. Omron is a name which is very popular among doctors and medical circles. It's a very old Japanese firm, and they make, among other things, medical devices like your digital BP monitor, your digital thermometer, nebulizers, etc. And turns out they were also the first to invent the electronic turnstile for one of their railway stations in Japan. I read that in Wiki. So I got this unit from Amazon. Now this one has Bluetooth as well. It's only about 100 rupees more than the regular equipment, which doesn't have Bluetooth, and it pairs with your app on the smartphone, and it gives you a trend in terms of the BP and things like that. So let's go ahead, unbox this and see how well it performs. So this is the box, and you can see the image of the unit displayed here. The model number is HEM-7140T1. Now this sticker, it indicates that you can claim an additional 1-year warranty over the standard 2-year warranty by registering the device on Omron Connect app. On this side, you have the import label. It is made in Vietnam. And what are the various features? It has the pulse monitor, hypertension indicator, cuff wrapping guide. Basically, it says that if you wrap the cuff around your arm properly, storage for 14 readings, 14 memory, then systolic range of 60 to 260 millimeters of mercury, diastolic range of 40 to 215 millimeters of mercury, and if the values are high, the hypertension indicator would flash, and pulse measurement range of 40 to 180 beats per minute. The accuracy, Omron claims the pressure is plus or minus 3 millimeter of mercury, and pulse is plus or minus 5% of the display reading. So that much range or error is what is expected, and battery life is approximately 900 measurements. Power source again, 4 batteries, or you can also use a 6-volt AC adapter, which is what is preferable, so you don't have to worry about batteries leaking, etc. Then various features, Omron Connect app and things like that. And yes, the same on displayed on the device. So let's go ahead, unbox it. So these are the packaging contents. You have the BP monitor, the cuff which you would wrap around your arm, 4 AA cells, instruction manual. Please read it to understand how to connect the device to Bluetooth, clear the memory, etc. And a warranty booklet. Now this one gives you a country-wise details of how you are supposed to register. Now you have it for India as well, so just go ahead and scan the device here, and that's that. So this is as far as the contents are concerned. So let's go ahead and insert the batteries in the device. Observe the polarity while inserting the batteries. Okay, so with the batteries inserted, what we'll do is we'll connect this air plug of the cuff to the jack here. Simply insert it. That is all. You should hear a firm click there when you insert the jack, and there should be no loose connections. Once you do that, your device is set up for use. As far as build quality goes, it is very obvious that Omron has not cut corners anywhere, be it for the construction of this cuff, the tubing, the plug, or the instrument as such. Everything feels like it's built to last, like a typical Japanese device. If you look at the construction of the instrument, you have this 6-volt AC adapter port at the rear. You have the air plug socket here, and you have a large display and 2 prominent buttons for starting and stopping the instrument and for connecting to Bluetooth. And you also have the socket for the batteries here, and these 4 rubber grommets which will help secure the instrument when it is placed on a tabletop. Before taking a reading, ensure that you are seated on a chair with your feet firmly resting on the ground, and your arm is supported on a table with the elbow at your heart's level. You can take the reading from either of your arms, and the reading should differ by a maximum of about 5 units. And that's perfectly alright. Ensure that you do not eat, drink or smoke at least half an hour before you take a reading. While taking the reading, be calm and do not talk. Now let's go ahead and take the reading. Ensure that the cuff is wrapped properly around the arm. Notice this prominent symbol with a dot marking and art indicated. That shows the approximate location of the artery on your arm when you wrap the cuff. Wrap the cuff around tightly. And ensure that the air tube is not getting pinched. Now, if you wrap this cuff in any other way, you will get an incorrect and unreliable reading. Now, when you press start on the instrument to take the reading, the instrument should indicate OK on the display if the cuff is wrapped around properly. If the cuff is loose, it will throw a different warning symbol indicating the cuff is wrapped loose. So let's start. To check the accuracy of the instrument, I tallied the reading from my device with the one from a diagnostics lab technician who had visited home, and the readings were very close. Omron suggests that you recalibrate the device once every 2 years to maintain the accuracy of the readings. Their customer service can be contacted for further inputs on the recalibration part. It is important that the device is stored properly after use. Please store the device in its box. The app to connect this device is called Omron Connect. Download the app, provide the necessary permissions, do the software update, provide the user consent, and you should be through. First, register the device so you can get the additional 1-year warranty. Select Start Registration. Select Blood Pressure Monitor. Scroll down and select the model HEM-7140T1 or whatever model you are having right now. Provide the location permission access. Press the Bluetooth button on the device for 2 seconds. You should enter into the device pairing mode with P flashing on the display. You should see a Bluetooth pairing request on your phone. Select Pair. And once the device is paired, you would see OK flashing. At the home screen, go to the contents from the bottom navigation bar. Select Warranty Registration. Fill up all the details: name, email, contact number, product category, serial number, etc. Now, the serial number is given on the back of the unit next to a box SN as shown. Fill up the short questionnaire, enter the CAPTCHA, and you are done. Check your mail inbox for a confirmation from Omron. Now, that is as far as registering the product is concerned. Now, let's see the Omron Connect app. The app is actually pretty good. Every time you take a reading on the instrument, it automatically transfers the data to the phone. It is a useful and convenient method to record and monitor your BP on a periodic basis. It gives you trends in a weekly, monthly, or yearly format in a graphical way as well. It also gives you a BP logbook in a PDF format so you or your doctor can view it during your medical visits and checkups. If you have entered the medication schedule in the app, it also gives you notifications to avoid forgetting to take your medicine. So in that sense, the app is very good. I intend to take the BP readings twice a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. So let's see how this goes. Quite the eye-opener this was after I did the annual health checkup after 2 long years. So guys, please don't skip on your medical checkups. Please do it on time to avoid any surprises. So that will be all, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below and I'll answer them as best as I can. Bye and take care.